is the name of this coin? This is a penny. What's a penny really worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. What is the shape of the coin? The coin is round in shape. In how many ways can we write it? We can write it as 1 cent or 1 cent. What is the color of a penny? A penny is bronze in color. What is on the front of the penny? President Abraham Lincoln is on the front of a penny. What is on the back of the penny? The Lincoln Memorial is on the back of the penny. Where is the value of the penny printed? It is printed on the back of the penny. Is the edge of the penny smooth or ridged? The edge of the penny is smooth. Friends, do you know what is the weight and size of a penny? Let me tell you. The weight of a penny is 2.5 grams and its size is 19.05 millimeters.